Swapnil, we are here for a small study on insurance.
Okay.
Would you like to give a short description about it, introduction about it?
I am Swapnil and did my engineering in electrical branch, and now I am a student at IIM now. Before that, I worked for 4 years with Capgemini and Persistent Systems.
Okay. And so you have worked for 4 years, totally. So what is you ever had an insurance?
Not while I was studying, but when I was working, I was having insurance provided by the company.
Okay, so you had insurance provided by the company. So what is your idea about insurance?
I never required insurance. I mean, I didn't claim any money for the policies that I had. What I had was a complete family coverage kind of a insurance
By the company.
And the premium was being paid by the company.
So you never felt
so I never felt a need, or I never lived into the how much premium the company is paying and all, and how much will I be getting back. Probably if I would have met any mishap, then I would have had to do that.
Has any agents approached you so far? Any of the company?
Yeah, many times.
Or they have approached you? And you never taken it, even though?
No, while I was working, I knew that I already have insurance, so I never entertained that call.
So are you aware of the tax benefits provided by the insurance?
I think there is some, I mean, on the premium that you pay to the insurance companies, you get a tax rebate.
So you were not interested in that tax rebate?
No.
You were not interested?
Because the premium is so low, it's only 7,000-8,000 rupees.
So you are not interested in that tax benefits. Okay, do you feel a need for insurance as not as a tax benefit or any other purpose, say when you get married or something? Or say right now, what's your age?
27.
So 27. So let's say when you're getting married, do you feel that you might need insurance for any other purpose other than tax?
Yeah, post marriage I might be requiring insurance for.
And
for say anything that I own, car, house, or anything like that.
Okay. Other than that,
or even
probably
insurance.
life insurance.
Yeah.
So okay, so do you?
But I do not think I will be buying insurance for tax benefits per se.
So tax benefits is not a criterion for you at all. So you probably would buy for any other criteria, but not tax benefit.
Really not. Tax benefit does not figure at the top of my criteria.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Joseph, then what figures at the top of?
Okay.
What are the criteria?
What is the criterion that figures on top of your, if at all you?
Any unexpected incident related to the that I bought the insurance for. So any accident, any breakdown of say car, something like that.
So basically, you will feel a need for life insurance only. You probably would have an accident or a fear of accident or something like that.
Exactly. Yeah.
So right now you haven't felt a need to cover any of those things.
No.
So you ever got any information about insurance from your friends or family or anything?
So never had discussion on insurance.
Okay, never had discussion. Okay.